Good evening, Sashas and scripters. I'm on assignment now because Jason Cappuccino cannot join us this evening, but since we're on location, we're happy to be in the company of one of the most revered beauty pageant queen in the Philippines, Binibining Pilipinas Intercontinental 2022, Miss Gabrielle Basiano. So, Gabby, it's been quite a while since you competed in pageantry. Can you update us what's going on with your life today?
Oh, that's an interesting question, and that's something that I'm really excited about because what I'm doing right now is a little bit different from pageantry. So now I'm doing JCI. I'm really focusing on personal growth, personal experiences, developing my leadership skills, yung mga ganun man yung pinagtutunan ko na pansin.
Bongga ngayon, we heard that you've been focusing on these projects aside from, of course, pursuing your career in entertainment. May pinaghahandaan mo tayo medyo po.
Nako yan, ang hindi ko pa alam. Actually, to be honest, kasi a lot of people have been asking me about it. And my honest answer talaga is, I am not sure yet.
Okay.
Because I'm really waiting for that feeling na talagang 100% let's go.
Game ka na.
Yes.
Yes, totoo naman yun. I mean, it's important that you're ready mentally, emotionally, and physically. Pero I think on a more general note, are you done with pageantry just yet? Because other girls from the past seasons, lashes, as in year in, year out, paano ba kay Gabby? Ano ba ang ating ganang?
For me, kasi I cannot say that I'm already done.
Yeah.
Kasi there's a feeling pa din every time that I'm watching pageant na parang, I wanna be there again.
You know.
Yeah.
You
so
know
many
kasi.
feelings. And I also know that if you're going to ask me now na parang, are you going to join this year? I'm not sure pa talaga. Kasi I don't wanna join a pageant na half-baked lang.
Yeah.
Kasi parang sa'yo lahat ng effort. Hindi naman 100%.
Indeed, super important din. But are we going, in case that you decided to come back into the pageant scene, would it be a grander comeback than you used? I mean, you competed at Pinili twice.
Yeah.
So this could be the third time in you parade, redirection, everybody talking about it. Will it be bigger, grander than the previous ones?
Let's see kung kaya pa ng age by then.
Ano naman kaya pa? So,
Let's see. Pero syempre alam naman ng lahat ng tao na when I joined Binibini, I was really eyeing for international or
and you're expecting it naman that way. But over the years, one thing that never wavered, a lot of your fans still continue to support you to this very day. Any words words of appreciation to your pageant fans who stick out to your Raya years, to your competition in Egypt, and now when we're expecting you to be on the grand stage, a message for them.
Actually, my message for all my fans, maraming salamat. Kayo talaga yung nagbubuo ng pageant journey ko. Hindi siya magiging ganun ka-successful if it weren't for you guys. And I would really like to thank you all kasi it's not just in pageantry na sinusupport nila ako. Even sa other endeavors, parang dyan pa rin sila. So I'm really thankful. And huwag kayong mag-alala. Kung meron naman akong plans, kayo muna makakaalam.
We'll be expecting that. Thinking to more pasabogs because you know a lot of your fans love your pasabog and all the other endeavors in the future. We'll be here, we'll be supporting, and we'll be waiting for you. Again, Miss Gabby Basiano in the house.
Thank you so much! Tuloy ang bardagolan talaga.
Yes, we're expecting.
Yes.